All right, we are in Bradenton at the police department. We already got one parked outside, so it shouldn't be too much of a charade. Sitting on the phone, dark tinted windows like usual. AC. Information record.
Okay, I don't know if I'll be here I'll be gone for 2 weeks in July.
Are you?
And I'm through the 23rd.
Yeah, it might be right around, it might be right when you get back.
Oh,
It might be right when you get back, okay? Alright, where you going?
Got some back to blue, thin blue line shirts you can buy now.
I will have some gloves.
Can't get a hat if you're not sworn on for it. But you can get a towel and a fidget spinner.
What do you guys up to?
Gonna pull some records in a minute.
Huh?
Gonna pull some records in a minute.
Oh, okay.
Is there anybody back there, or is that you? You do records?
Yeah, there's somebody.
Oh, gotcha. They got that. Didn't see it. Thank you for ringing the bell. Hi. I want to make a few public records requests.
Okay.
I need a couple CAD screens. There was one for a call that happened around 11. Where was that? I think that was at the administration building.
Do you have an address?
Not the
Or a
exact
date?
address.
Just so I can
It
look it up.
happened this morning,
This morning?
at
Okay.
11, yeah. And then the post office, just like maybe 10 minutes ago.
You said the administration building?
The administrative building, yeah, it's like a. I don't remember. Do you remember what the name of the building was?
The main county building.
The Maine County Administration Building is what it was.
Okay.
And then any 911 calls, or do you guys do your own dispatch here?
Yes.
Okay. Any 911 calls and radio traffic that goes with that?
Okay.
Are you requesting the 911 calls to the post office?
Both of them, yeah.
Okay, I'm doing the same thing.
And then I also would like to get a copy of your general orders
Okay.
and a patrol schedule.
Right.
You said patrol schedule?
Yes, ma'am. And you can email all that to me. I'll give you an email.
All right, what is it?
Government audits, plural, at gmail.com.
At Gmail?
Yes. Thank you very much. That's it for me.
As long as one of us gets in and is able to put them up. Yeah.
I'm gonna pull the same records he's gonna pull, so.
I would recommend getting them sent to your own email. That way you have access to them, because it's kind of hard to.
I'm gonna just copy the same exact records he got. So, records request.
I just give them your email and attach it to that one. Some nice snacks in here.
Just gonna give them to you guys. If they have somebody who need to come down here and pick them up, maybe Bill can come down here and pick them up for us.
Okay.
So,
I think all that stuff, like.
I got a media file account that I can give you guys, and you can upload whatever you want there, and I can download it from there. So.
Yeah, that's just something I need to try to figure out how to do too. When I was speaking with my dad, is the stuff that I'm getting on CDs. It's like I either have to print it to do a story about it, or I have to find another way to send it to myself to where I can get access to it to use the phone until I can get the computer set up. You know.
What about the library, you're not trespassing from there, are you?
No, no, I'm not trespassing from the library. And I do go to the library, but do I just get on there and email them to myself or something like
Yeah,
that?
like that, or you can get on there, like if you have the CD, put it in and then upload it to the Mediafire account. And that way it's online, you can access it from any computer or device. You should be able to download
Okay.
it to your phone, anything like that. All right,
Sounds good.
You ready?